Our first experiment will be mix it up. Supplies from kit. 3 small test tubes. Check. Funnel. Check. Pipette. Check. You might also need your test tube holder to hold your test tubes. Supplies from home. Water. Check. Oil. Check. Vinegar. Check. Lemon juice. Check. Dishwashing soap. Check. Experiment. We will check if oil mixed with water. First step. Pour 5 millimeters of oil into test tube 1. Step 2. Add 5 millimeters of oil into the same test tube. Here's our test tube. See, oil does not mix with water because water is more dense than oil, so it stays at the bottom. It can't mix together. Step 3. Pour vinegar in test tube 1 till it reaches almost the top of the test tube. Step 4. Close the cap and shake well. This is the vinegar making mix. I think it's this one. So this does not mix. Let's try with lemon juice. We're going to do the same thing. 5 millimeters of lemon juice, water and oil. Cover it. It does not mix. 5 milliliters of water. No soap. We need a funnel. This is oil and vinegar and water. It does not mix together. You can easily see it separated.
The oil is right here and the vinegar and water is right there.
This is oil, vinegar and lemon juice. You can see easily does not mix.
The water and lemon juice is right here and the oil is on top.
This is soap, oil and water. it mixed together. What is so special about salt? When it mixes with water, it creates an emulsion. Did you enjoy today's video? Follow us for more. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!